challenge is back.
Really?
Well, it's starting soon. It starts June 25th and it ends September 10th.
Wow. How am I going to add it up on there?
All you have to do is go to hookingrugs.com and you're going to sign up. And when you sign up, you're going to be entered to win a prize at the end of it.
Superb. What's this?
This is called Bending into the Wind. So this is our 10-minute a day challenge kit, or you could get the pattern if you want.
Oh, really?
But we also have this challenge box, which is really exciting because you get a pattern full of different, a book full of different patterns, a piece of linen, and some textures. And there's some other goodies in there too.
That's a mystery thing.
It
Wow.
is. It's a fun mystery that you can challenge yourself to create something new.
Ah.
So go to hookingrugs.com, sign up, and you could be entered to win a prize at the end of the 10-minute a day challenge. But don't forget to post your progress on
Wild Wool. I'm